welcome to our onboarding video. You must have found us because something else stopped working for you guys. Maybe your SMS cost went through the roof. Maybe your clients are complaining that nobody replies to their messages, or maybe you have used the official WhatsApp API and got stuck waiting 14 days just to get Meta to reject it. So whatever got you here, I'm here to walk you through the entire platform, setup, safety, automations, everything. So without any further delay, let's get into it. So firstly, you need to go to your Google. You need to search GoGHL.ai and you will find our website. Here you can see we provide a 7-day free trial. So here we do not ask you for any of your credit card information or any payment information. You can just log in using your Google account and you will be given direct access. So firstly, you need to click into this. And you will see in the dashboard, we have connect WhatsApp to GoHighLevel. The delay, let's get started. You need to click into that. And here you need to connect your location or your agency. So here you can see standard GoHighLevel agency. You need to click on connect. It will redirect you to this particular page, that is WhatsApp no Meta approval, perfect thing. You need to click on install. And you need to select the sub account that you wanted to use for your client. I'm going to choose one. You can also choose all of them. And then you need to scroll to the bottom and you need to click on allow and install. So here you can see this is showing connection successful. You need to select a location to test things out with. So you can select whatever location that you wanted to add with, and you need to click on continue with selected location. Then you need to enable the conversation provider. This is the most crucial step. Many of the people forgot this because it has to be done by you. So what you need to do, you need to go to your account. You need to select the sub that you wanted to use. You need to go to the settings. In settings, you will see phone system. Here you can see additional settings. So here what you need to do, you need to select the WhatsApp and click into save. So here you can see that we are seeing this now as default. Okay, now you need to go back to your GoGHL dashboard and you need to mark this as complete. Okay, now we need to scan the QR and connect your WhatsApp. You can connect your own number, you can connect multiple numbers also. So what you need to do, you just need to save it. You need to open your phone and open the WhatsApp and go into the settings. It is very similar as you connect your WhatsApp web. We also provide a shareable link in case you want to share that with your client, so they can directly access that link, open that link, and your WhatsApp will be connected. So we are all set and we are all ready to go. We can start messaging now. Okay. Message has been sent. Let's see the WhatsApp. So here we have send the message. Here we gotten the reply. Here we have gotten the reply. So it has a perfect sync. It has no random disconnection because it has been developed by the ex-high-level developer. That's why. So now let's talk about the coolest feature that we provide to our clients, and all of our clients are using this feature and they all have the same feedback to us that this feature is so awesome. It is helping them doing more conversions and it is so useful feature. So let me show you how you can build this. So firstly, you need to go to builder.GoGHL.ai and then you will be open to this particular dashboard. And then you need to create your button messages. You can give title, you can give subtitle, you can attach the media such as the images, video, document, whatever you wanted to attach out of 3. You can add the buttons, up to 10 interactive buttons we provide. You can click into add button and a new button will be added. Okay, so here we have the preview of a button that I have just built for a restaurant. So this is a food menu. What would you like to order today? It is cola, it is classic burger, chicken burger, margarita, pizza. So here I wanted to we have a different type of button types that we provide. First is a quick reply. So We have the copy code, so you can also provide a code that you want the people to copy. You can we also have a call button. You can place the number that you wanted to give, and we also have a visit website, so you can just add your website URL here, and when someone clicks into that particular button, that person will be redirected to your website. Then we have the voice call feature. This feature is very good and has been used by many of the people. So that button, it initiates a WhatsApp based call. So whenever some customers comes and it will click into that button, it will directly give you a call inside your WhatsApp. Then next feature that we provide is the list messages. So this is again, I've built it for a restaurant. So you can give the title, you can give the button text as what would you like to order today, and you can also have a footer, okay, like the free delivery over $20. We have provide sections. You can add sections, okay, from here you can add the section, and you can also add the items. And for you to click into the add item, and a new item will be created. You can also add these sections. Okay, so here what we provide, you can give the section name, you can add the items. As you can see the preview, this is it. And when you click into view option, this is the product that we have. We have this section, that is burger section. We have classic burger, we have the description, we have the chicken burger description, veggie burger description, and we have the second section, that is the pizza section, okay, and then we have the drink section also. So this is the full feature that we have, and many of the customers are using it. And now let's talk about the features that we provide. So firstly, you need to go to the settings. So now let's talk about the features that we provide. So we have a notification settings where you can get the notification via the email and also with the phone number. And we also provide a message preview like this, and you can get notification in any of your languages, okay. And then we have message identification feature. As you can see here, we have speech to text feature. What it does is basically when someone is sending you a voice note, so that will be auto transcribed into a text using our OpenAI key. You can enter your key and you can click on test. So connection successful, then you need to click into save. So what it does, it helps in the automations. So when someone sends you voice notes, you can directly have automation in place that will transcribe that a particular voice note into text, and then you can use that in AI to have a proper segmentation of whatever work that you're doing for the automations. So that is the feature that we provide. Next, we have the text to speech feature, that is audio generation. So you can use your own audio. We do this with the help of Level Labs API key. So what you need to do, you need to paste your Level Labs API key here to click into test. Once the connection is successful, we need to click into save. You can also select the models that you wanted to choose, like Alpha, Flash, Turbo, Multilingual, whatever model that you wanted to choose, you can choose from here. So what it does is basically when you are in a meeting or when you are somewhere very busy or very in a crowded place that you not able to use a voice note feature. So that's why we have the text to speech feature. What it does, you can just write it down and it will automatically convert it into a voice note and then it will be sent. So that will be possible using Level Labs API key. You can just write out your text and click on send. And you can also include the link and click on send. You can see that it has been converted into audio. The next feature that we have is a drip mode, that is always on. This is a feature that we provide for the band protections. What it does is basically it creates interval between message 1 and message 2 so that WhatsApp doesn't feel that it is all automated. How someone can message 50 people at a single time. So that is what we are keeping in mind. That's why it's always on. So you can message as many people as you wanted. It will be sending one message at a single time. That's why we have this max at 1. And you cannot change that. And duration you can according to you. So next we have the API feature. You can manage your API key for authenticating N10 and API access. So you can create your API key here and use it inside N10, making a custom node. And you can also use webhook. So you can add a webhook to receive events and integrate with the external services. So you can just create a subscription, and we have the WhatsApp inbound messages, WhatsApp outbound messages, message failed. So you can create webhook for all of these things. Okay. So that's it for the onboarding video. If you have any questions, how to onboard your clients, how to onboard yourself, so let me know in the comments and I will be more than happy to answer them. Thank you so much.